Hi guys, and welcome back to And Then There Was Style. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for more home decor videos. Also give this video a thumbs up and share it with other home decor lovers. So in today's video, I'm going to present something that I absolutely love, and that is a gorgeous glam style room. So without further ado, here we go. If you love this style and want it in your home, go ahead and check out the description box. I have picked some of my favorite items from Amazon to get this look in your home. Have you ever seen a living room and thought, wow, that room is just so glamorous? How did they do that? How did they know that all of these pieces would match? When it comes to adding some glamour to your living room, there are so many small details that can make or break the space. You want it to look glamorous without being too schoolgirl glittery or just plain tacky. The ultra glam living rooms that you'll see in this video are fit for a princess, a queen, or just your everyday all-around girl boss. Having a glamorous living room can mean very different things depending on who you ask. When I think glamour, the first thing that comes to mind would be that old Hollywood and the many lavish details that rooms of that era had. No cookie cutter mansions there. Adding just a little sparkle and class to your space can be done without having to start from scratch. And this video will show you exactly how it is done. We'll show you some of my favorite glam living rooms for your decorating inspiration. You'll find many common elements of glam decor, including metallic decorations, crystal chandeliers, marble furniture, and of course, pink flowers. The living room is always tough to design, as it's such an important and central part of your home. But my hope is that this video can assist you along the way. Metallic decorative elements are ever present in glamorous homes. Whether you go with silver, gold, or champagne, opting for many metallic furniture and decorations is always a good idea. Tufted furniture and sofas specifically have always given an elegant touch to a space. The Chanel coffee table books and high fashion artwork on the wall give this living room an extra Vogue vibe. An elongated chaise lounge can instantly add glamour to any space, from the living room to the bedroom. And if you want an extra dose of luxury, go with velvet. Beyond the living room, every glam space always needs fresh pink roses. The white marble oval coffee table adds an extra feminine touch. It also prevents bruises from sharp table corners. A silver coffee table can create an icy glam vibe in any living room, but a faux fur throw blanket is the perfect accessory to warm it up. A feminine, chic gallery wall with matching coordinated frames also adds a nice touch of sophistication. This antique gold mirror, as well as this acrylic egg chair, really set off this room. Don't forget to comment your favorite room down below and check the description box if you would like to incorporate the glam look in one of your rooms at home. Don't be afraid to mix design styles. This room is the perfect example of a glam minimalist or glam Scandinavian look. Sometimes people see glam rooms as super cool or cold, but different types of fabrics and throw pillows definitely warm them up. And don't forget about the candles. As always, I want you to comment your favorite room down below. And for those of you interested in what my absolute favorite room was, it is this beauty right here. It's feminine, it's chic, it's soft, it's white, it's clean, it's pure, and there is even a hanging chair. What more can you want? I hope that you have enjoyed this video. If you have, definitely give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. I love bringing you guys new home decor videos daily. So I will see you in tomorrow's video. Thanks for watching, friends. Bye.